Ignite. Ignite. Yun. The spark begins, the future's bright.
I don't come again. This one, I don't come for ladies. So if you are a lady and you see this video, no run. I'm not here for you guys. I'm here for the guys. Not for the guys alone. No. All these guys where they blame ladies. Saying that, we need to create balance. Whenever we are saying anything good, we need to create balance. I know Gege be they complain. Say, ladies, they complain men money. I don't come out with another version. Men, I never learn. Which lady puts trigger for your head? Say you must give her that money where she they ask you off. You don't ever get any lady where carry dagger put for your neck say you not give me, I no go gree. I no go gree. We don't ever see that lady. And I no want respect on herself. Stay one place. Do something great for herself. Abi? Now worry, and I go learn, and I might go touch ground. Okay, this one is for now. You just wake up one morning now, decide that okay, now young ladies now you want to run after. If you tie the third leg between your two legs and sit in one place and use your life to do better thing for yourself, as ordinary Ahmed will always say, telling you that lazy man should wake up. I'm not saying that lazy people now then they follow women pass. Lazy people now then they follow women pass. They are always on social media looking for the one that has the biggest backside, riverside. There are some words I cannot say here. Looking for the one that has the fattest one to catch. They're not go use their life do better thing. That energy where they carry they search. If you use that same energy, they search for ladies where get backside. If you use that same energy, look for tutorials that will benefit your life. Look for quality content on social media, on YouTube, online, on internet to watch. You go die. To the point that you will go and look for a lady, ask that lady out, wind their head up and down. I don't say girl self, they carry head where they like foul own. They know they think fast. Before you know, they don't fall. Now why they vex for them? They know they think far. All these guys when mumu, they get sense for that side. Their sense for that side are to lure these ladies to themselves and make sure that they convince them, confuse them. Two of them join together. They go convince them, confuse them into doing something very terrible with them. And for some that refuse to do the terrible thing with them, we have the Gege University community that can always come at them, calling them names. You will be man there, what's down there? Which lady put trigger for your head say, if you no give me money today, or if you no ask me out today, if you no follow me today, if you no tell me what sweets my head today, me and you go enter the same trouser. We never see any guy come outside cause say, hey, this lady is talking me, allow me rest, she's always in my DM. I never see any guy come outside complaining that one. I think that should be the next course that you Gege should come out and teach your students. Where get 3 legs, when no one keep one, when no one tie one to others, so that the 2 legs can take them to where their life will make sense to them. They don't want to do that one. No. Now how to follow one girl from one pillar to pole, from Peter to Paul, from Barnabas to Lazarus. Now so now wait till I know how to do with that. Your life is very important. And that data you are wasting to look at that big fat nyash, you can use it to do something good for yourself. Go out to watch videos, read good books online. It will go benefit your life. Don't say you won't go Gege University just because say girls now don't they wise. They they'll just they collect your money now. They won't collect back. What you do them years back. Now they don't they wise up. They are foul now. They are foul brain now. They don't they grow. They don't they use their ogo take they think. As I tell you the last video say you will be lady where you say you think say you the one ways to confuse man online. If you use your life do better thing. You don't get ogo even if you don't get brain. Your ogo suppose they work they think. Ladies now their ogo don't they work. They don't they use and they think. You will be man, you don't dey vex. Mumu man, man, one wey be say you no really get any work when they do. Lazy one, where sit down, predators. Now them they cause rape in the society. Now them they do all the whole criminal activities. And I no get anything one they do for herself. Now how to come online begin complain about ladies? You first, what carry you go that lady DM where go collect your money? Ask yourself that question. If you want to be realistic, wetin carry you go there? And I don't know say that thing where they sweet for goat mouth. Now you go follow kill am. That thing where goat they chop, where be saying they sweet for a mouth. Now you go kill am. No go do like fowl where they jump fence. So it's either your feather go break, or for air there, something go come carry you go where you no know. Men, I don tell una this one. If you like verse, if you like the video, if you like comment, if you like share, any of them you decide to do, na your business. If you like learn, if you like don't learn, I don't go. And you think I go like that? Subscribe. Think say e easy to create, to sit down here and talk like this from beginning to this point, and you are here, you watch me till the end, and you don't want to subscribe. I beg you, subscribe before I send Amadio how to strike down your phone. Bye until I see you on the next video. My name is Solomon. I am the king for all. Bye bye.
Ignite. Ignite. Yun, the spark begins, the future's bright.